Hello dear traders, you're watching the weekly link up on InstаФорекс TV channel with me, Anna Kasatkina. In this edition we are going to discuss the recent developments in the Forex market. Besides, technical analyst Petar Yakimovic will help us forecast further dynamics of popular trading instruments. Hi Petar, what currency pair do you recommend traders for consideration?
Hello dear traders. I'm expecting a lower price on the EUR/USD. I found a broken bearish flag and I found a successful breakout in a very high volume and very strong price action, which is a very good sign for potential further downward movement. The price managed to go and to retest this bearish flag, which is also another very well sign that the sellers may start to resume this downtrend. So the resistance level is at 1.1180 held successfully, and I found a bearish engulfing pattern from that point. That is the area where the price retested this bearish flag. My downward targets are set at 1.0915, where I found the Fibonacci expansion 100%, and where the price respected this level previously, and we saw the correction from that point. So that level is critical on the short-term perspective. So 1.0915. If the price breaks this level in a high volume, the price may go to visit the second take profit level at 1.0600, where I found a Fibonacci expansion 161.8% from the recent APC swings. So my advice to watch for selling opportunities on the pullbacks.
Nowadays, investors are actively selling off the British pound amid the looming legal exit of Great Britain from the European Union. How long will this trading sentiment continue? Is it wise to expect correctional moves of the pound-dollar pair? And do you advise traders to go on opening short orders on the pound-dollar pair?
I'm expecting lower price on the GBP/USD. The massive supply in the background is still active, and this is a very crucial thing on the GBP/USD, and buying is insanely risky at this stage on GBP/USD. So my advice to watch for selling opportunities. The resistance around 1.3130 or 1.3230 can be a very good resistance level for to establish the sell positions and to resume the downward trend. So watch for these levels to establish potential selling opportunities. Take profit level is set at 1.2385, and this level will be very strong. So watch for to scale out positions around 1.2385.
This trading week, investors are displaying risk aversion sentiment. In particular, they opt to buy the Japanese yen. What would you advise on the dollar-yen pair?
I'm expecting lower price on the USD-Japanese yen. The massive supply in the background in an ultra high volume. This is a very strong sign that the sellers are very strong at this stage. Then price went into correction, into corrective phase, and the trend already resumed the US-Japanese yen. So my advice is to watch for selling opportunities on any pullback, any decent pullback. For example, Fibonacci retracement 38.2, 50% or 61.8 retracement. So watch for selling opportunities on the pullbacks, and the first take profit level is set. At the price of 99.10, where I found the recent swing low, where this climatic action happened. The climatic action happened basically there. So 99.10, and if the price breaks this level in a high volume, we may see the second take profit level on the test around 95.80. So again, due to the massive supply in the background, it's a very risky to look for any buying opportunities on short term perspective. So my advice is to watch for selling opportunities on the pullbacks.
Thank you, Petar. What is another currency pair you would like to speak about?
I'm expecting upward price in the Euro-GBP because I found a massive demand in the background, the climatic action there, but the price continued higher with no problem, and there is no big supply for any larger correction on this currency pair. So it seems like the euro is much stronger than GBP, and this strength on the euro compared to GBP actually started after the Great Britain exited the European Union. From that point, the euro exploded higher compared to GBP, and I'm expecting further upward continuation on this currency pair. Basically, watch for buying opportunities on the dips, and the take profit level is set at the price of 0.8695, where the Fibonacci expand on 100% from the most critical swings in the background. So again, watch for to buy this currency pair and any dip, basically Fibonacci retracing 38.250 or 61.8. Also pay attention on the daily 5 simple moving average and 10. And if you see some retracement from 5 simple moving average or 10, then you can also establish position, buy position on the Euro GBP. And again, we take profit level at 0.8695.
Once again, thank you, Peter, for your trading recommendations. See you next week. You've watched the weekly link up presented by me, Anna Kasatkina, and InstaForex expert from Serbia, Petar Jakimovic. Trade at a profit with InstaForex. Don't miss our next edition. Bye.